Hello, my friend. My name is Randy Pratama. How important is exercise is our life? Exercise is important our life because it have maintain physical health and mentality to improve mental well-being, both energy and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And someone who always offer very cheap price when shopping, someone who always offer very cheap when our shopping is a beginner or a regular. They try to negotiate the price to get the best deal possible. And what mm, daily activity? My daily activity every day is I wake up, breakfast, and taking shower. After that, I work a teacher until evening, until afternoon, and it's a night. I make a content. I write a content every day. What's my job? My job is English teacher for elementary school, and I teach one or one and two grade every day. Thank you very much for listen my answer, my story. Goodbye.